Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs application on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Google Docs application on my mobile phone. And after we have opened this Google Docs, we can choose template or we can create new document. If you want to use template from Google Docs, you can go to the templates menu right here. And then you will be able to get a lot of templates from the Google Docs. You can create, for example, a proposal and then newsletter or maybe letter or report or essay. It's up to you. You just need to choose the template that you need. And if you want to create new document or blank document, you can choose new document. And then new document will be created like this. Okay, and you can customize it according to your needs. And here guys, I'm going to open up the document I have created in my Google Docs. I'm going to use this document and I'm going to show you the menu in the Google Docs we can use to edit our document. Wait, I'm going to view it in light theme. Okay, this is my document guys. And then if you want to change the format of your document, you can go to this menu. And here we'll be able to change the font and then the line spacing and the column. And you will be able to add page break as well. And I'm going to select all my text. If you want to select all your text, you can double click on your document like this until these options appear on your screen. And then you can click on select all. And for example, guys, I'm going to change the font. For the font, I'm going to select Times New Roman. And for the size, I'm going to choose 11. Alright, and then I'm going to change the line spacing as well. Okay, we can go to the line spacing. I'm going to increase it. Okay, and for the column, I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and now the format of my document has been changed. And then I'm going to show you the insert menu. If you want to insert something to your document, you can go to this insert menu. You can click on this plus icon, and then here you'll be able to insert link, comment, image, table, or line, markups, or page break, page number, and footnote. For example, guys, I'm going to insert an image. So I'm going to click on image, and then I'm going to select from photos. Okay, I'm just going to pick a random image from my gallery. Wait, select the image from photos, and I'm just going to choose, for example, this one. Okay, and now the image has been inserted in this document. Okay guys, and that's how basically we can use Google Docs app on mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.